Meaning of exec.
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 Exec. Exec is a command used in computer programming to replace the current process image with a new process. When exec is called, the existing process is terminated and replaced by the new program specified in the argument. This is commonly used to run a different program from within an existing one, or to load a different executable file into memory. The exec function can be used in various programming languages such as C, C++, and Python. In essence, it allows for dynamic changes to the execution of a program.